If you just updated your Android phone and then you stop getting WhatsApp notifications, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it right now. First of all, do a quick check. Pull down your quick settings menu by swiping down from the top of your phone. Make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is turned off. These are built to silence everything. Next, do a full restart. Press and hold your power button and choose to restart. A simple reboot can fix a lot of software glitches that happen after an update. Most people skip this and then wonder why the simple fixes don't work. For this tutorial, I'm using a Google Pixel 7 running Android 17, but you can follow along on any Android phone as well. If the restart didn't work, the next place to look is Android's battery management. This is where most people find the problem. So open your phone's settings, tap on Apps, look for and tap on WhatsApp. If it's not under Recently Opened Apps, tap See All Apps and scroll until you find it. After you tap WhatsApp, look for and tap on Battery, or if you're on a Pixel like me, tap App Battery Usage. Next, tap Allow Background Usage if you see that option. You will probably see this is set to Optimized. On some phones, this setting can be too aggressive and will delay or stop WhatsApp from checking for new messages to save power. Change this to Unrestricted. This is the single most effective fix. Now tap the back arrow to go back on the app info page and tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Or again, if you're on Pixel, tap Mobile Data Usage and make sure the background data toggle is turned on. WhatsApp needs this to get new messages when the app isn't open on your screen. If this is off, nothing else we do will matter. Guys, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe. Every week I cover Android and WhatsApp tips most people never find on their own. Next, let's check the app's own permissions. From that same WhatsApp app info page, tap on Notifications. The main toggle for all WhatsApp notifications has to be on. Now, scroll down. Check the individual notification categories. Tap on the Chats drop-down arrow and check if any toggle is turned off. A lot of people find that after an update, one of these is accidentally toggled off. Now, here's the Genie tip. If nothing has worked so far, this is a powerful step that fixes the most stubborn notification problems. We're going to reset app preferences. This setting can be in different places depending on your phone. A common path is to go to your phone's main settings, look for and tap System, scroll down and tap Reset Options. Now tap Reset App Preferences. A pop-up will appear telling you what the reset will do. You can read through, then tap Reset. Now, if you still didn't find the option through that path, from your main settings, tap Apps, tap See All Apps, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Reset App Preferences. If you still can't find it, just use the search bar at the top to type Reset App Preferences. This will not delete any of your data or your chats. What it does is reset all permissions, notification restrictions, and background data settings for all of your apps. It gives them a fresh start. It's the one to use when nothing else works. That's it. One of these steps should have restored your WhatsApp notifications. We've checked your core system modes, adjusted the critical battery and data settings that most people miss, and even reset all app preferences. If this video helped, subscribe. Next up, watch this video where I show you how to stop Google from tracking your phone even when your location is off. It's right here.